I will check on your babies. I'm coming up. Bye. You stay out there a little bit. They're hatched. Wakey, wakey, little birdies. No, you just go over there. It's alright. It's alright. There's one there and one on the spotlight. Just checking on your babies. Hello, little swallow. Hello. You got a family member who wants to come in too. Hey, hello. You go see your kids now. I see you moving. Yeah, look, they're feeding the baby. I should have stayed down. Go up there again.
Let me move before they attack my head.
Yeah. I'll check it out and find out what happens with the birds.